I wanted to make a quick update video for Find Background. Welcome to SETI Astro. The script can now handle multiple user-defined areas. So I have 3 quick examples here on how we could utilize it. Let's look at a first one where I didn't remove the gradient, but let's say it's a really bad gradient and this is all the better I can get. So we'll go ahead and open the Find Background script. And we want to do a user-defined search area. And with this, we can shift-click and draw a region where the gradient isn't very bad here. Let's say we think it looks good up here too, so we can define multiple areas here. Okay, so these are the regions we think the gradient doesn't look too bad in. This is where we want it to search. We can go ahead and just tell it to search those areas now. Okay, the search is done. And this is where it found the background for us here. If we just run it on the whole image, obviously it's going to land in one of these bottom spots where the gradient is just super dark. So that's going to be a case where you did your best trying to get rid of a gradient or something, or you have just some regions you want to search exclusively in. That's where you could use it there. Okay, next let's avoid the dark doodad here, the dark nebula. So we want to click on User Defined Exclusion Area. And then we could just draw some rectangles here to fully cover our area we want to exclude. And tell it to search. And there we go. Now it found the background down here, completely avoiding that nebula. Last one, a little easier one, just a couple patches we want to avoid. So let's go ahead and pull up our script. And again, we want to do a defined exclusion area. And we want to avoid that piece of the dark nebula. We want to avoid that piece of the dark nebula. And we thought that maybe the gradient didn't look correct down there either. So let's go ahead and avoid that. And again, we'll go ahead and just tell it to search. Okay, and it's done, and we can go ahead and close it. And this is where we got down here. So we avoided that big patch, this patch down here. It's just really wherever you want it. A couple of things I want to note is it's one or the other. You're either defining search areas, right? So if you only want to search in, let's say, this chunk of it, and this piece up here, that's all it's going to search in. Or if you click over on Defined Exclusion Area, it's going to go ahead and clear your rectangles out. And now it's going to let you define areas that you want to completely avoid, right? We wanted to avoid that chunk up there. We wanted to avoid this piece up here, those down there. But let's say you made a mistake and you did that too. Oh, we actually wanted that. There is the reset button. It'll clear your rectangles, let you draw them again. Again, these areas should be the rarity. For the most part, you're going to be wanting to run it on the full image. It's only when there's like a dust mote or a dark nebula or your gradient isn't fully corrected that you're going to want to go ahead and define, some search areas or some exclusion areas prior to having the script find the background for you. I hope you guys find this update useful. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.